There we go then. Well, I've got my first load of cement mixed up, so I'm just going to whack a bit down on there, get the first block on later. It's actually quite a good consistency. It's a bit like porridge. Don't want it too wet, you don't want it too dry. A bit more perhaps. Get a block now. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first block, these bands, and carry that over, stick it on the wall. Okay, so I've got my first block in place. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of these bits of concrete down there when I've put some of the more of the blocks down. But first one in place, I'm not going to worry about perfection, because at the end of the day it's for cows, not for building a house. But that's a good job done. Let's see how we get on with the rest. Right, so I finished a load of blocks before lunch, one layer, and now my brother's milking. I've got the cows coming to have a look. You can see I might not get the layer levels just right, but the thing is, this is for a cow yard, it's not for a house or anything. I'm not professional. We'll just get this whopped up quick and it'll do the job. So I've got another load of cement mixed up, and I'm just going to get another layer on. So here we go. So there you go, you can see I've just got the first block in on that level. I don't think the block's particularly level, I've got a spirit level, but I'm not going to worry too much because that is cocked up higher there anyway. I'm just going to carry on there. What I'm going to do is, as I go, I'm going to infill here with broken up blocks. I'm going to break some of these up and fill in because it's a waste of cement just putting each cement in. But we'll keep going on a few more blocks.